The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 420 for portions of northern and central Kansas, southern Nebraska, effective this Thursday afternoon and evening from 3:45 p.m. until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind and isolated significant gusts to 80 miles per hour, possible isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Summary: MCS is expected to continue through NRN and CNTRLKS this afternoon and evening, posing a risk for mainly damaging wind and large hail. Other storms may develop south of the MCS and also pose a risk for capital L miles east and west of a line from 40 miles north of Hill City, Kansas to 20 miles south-southeast of Wichita, Kansas. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch outline update. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 4